Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to launch Mac instance in AWS using console. If you remember, in the previous video I got an error that the quota has been reached and the minimum amount that was set to 0. I had to submit a request to AWS from the support center, and that's how I'm gonna now create one Mac instance and show you how to launch it, how to use it. So let me just log on to the AWS console and take it from there. I'm logged on to the AWS console, and if you would see my support center, the request that I raised yesterday, this one is created 22 pending, it's pending my action, and if you would click on it to see the latest update, you would see that the reply has came from the AWS engineer, and they have now increased the limit to 2 in the US East Northern Virginia region, and I will be able to now I hope that I will be able to create one Mac instance. So if I open up the duplicate tab and log on to my EC2, and now if I go to, if you remember, I have to go to dedicated host. I have to click on allocate a host, and would have to go with instance family. I would have to go for Mac 1 Metal US East 1A. Quantity would be 1. I am not making any further changes. I would click on allocate host. Insufficient capacity. Oh my. In AWS, let me see how they resolve it. In case that Amazon doesn't currently have enough available on-demand capacity to complete your request. Insufficient instance capacity. When you try to launch a new instance or restart if you get this error when you try to launch an instance or restart a stopped instance, AWS does not currently have enough available on-demand capacity to fulfill your request. Wait a few minutes and then submit your request again. Submit any request with a reduced number of instances. I'm only configuring 1. And if you're launching an instance, submit a new request without specifying an availability zone. I am not going with an availability zone here, right? If you're launching an instance with placement group, you get an no, I'm not doing it. Different Amazon type, so I'm not enabling any one of that option. Still it is giving me an insufficient capacity error, so I will have to wait again for this, and I will create it again. Let me see if they mention anything. They say please keep in mind that it can sometimes up to 15 minutes for the new quota to take effect and become available for use. So let me reply on that, mentioning that I am getting an error. I thank you for this. Unfortunately, I am getting an error as below. Okay. Oh, I click on submit. Let's see what happens. I'm really sorry again that we are still not able to provision a Mac here. I'm showing you all of these because you might also face these errors and you should know how to proceed further. That is why I'm making up videos of what I'm trying to do so that I can show you this as well. So let's see what happens in on this ticket with AWS, and then we'll proceed further. Thank you. Have a good day.